Hey everybody, welcome. I'm Tim with Cruising Together Couple, and we are here today to show you how to switch between devices when you are sharing a Wi-Fi package on Carnival. Before we get started, if you haven't already, please think about subscribing to our channel. We have lots of videos of our travels, the different cruise ships we've been on, the cabins we've stayed in, our excursions, the hotels we stay at, lots of great information, plus other videos like today's video where we're going to show you how to switch between users when you are on your Wi-Fi on a Carnival cruise ship. Now, Carnival has a few different packages for Wi-Fi, and if you don't want to be that connected, but you still want to communicate back home, get the social one. You can use your messenger on Facebook and different things like that to contact back home. We usually get the middle package because we do run a small business and we need to communicate with our business back home and our kids and stuff. And so we use a Google phone number so we can call and text. Actually, we've never used the calling app, so I'm not even sure if that works or not, but we text back and forth using that all the time. And then we're able to get online, do different things like that and stuff like that. So anyway, but if you don't want to buy a package for everybody in your group, you can just buy one package and share. And today we're going to show you how to switch in between. So what you need to do is grab your phone, find your Carnival app, and open that up. And once you get there, as soon as it comes up, you're going to see your first page there showing you what you're doing today. Fun day at sea for us. And then on the top left, you see your little 3 lines. Click on that. That's going to open that up. And there you're going to find all your other information that you do, your planner, chat, and everything. But if you click on there, internet purchase, it will then take you to another page. Now it will open up. And here you put in your folio number and your date of birth. Now, put in the folio number and the date of birth of the person who has the internet package, okay? So that's how you're going to get to that. Not yours, but the person who purchased the package, all right? Then continue on after you get them entered. Continue to my plans, and you're going to confirm your plan there, that you already have a pre-sale value cruise plan. Hit use. Device is already being used. All you have to do is hit switch devices, okay? Hit that. Congratulations, you are now connected. Hit the let's go, and you have now switched devices. It'll automatically kick off the other person, and you're ready to go use your internet on your device. Whoever wants to get on does the same thing on their phone or tablet. Just go to the Carnival Hub app, and they'll boot you off. So you can switch between continuously on any of the devices, and you can share one package between all the members of your party if you like, and you don't need to buy 2, 3, 4, 5 different packages. All right, thank you. And again, if you liked the video, please subscribe. We'll see you next time.